Okay, we're going to kind of keep a sterile cockpit, which means keep the chatter down pretty low. We can fly the airplane.
Okay.
Pull in a little more air, you can.
29 uniform, I am beam runway 13 at 2,500 feet, and I'm continuing out of there.
Skyhawk 585, departing on runway 13, Lancaster traffic.
Right there.
Yep.
Female pilot.
Star Park East, helicopter 1700, be about miles southwest, 1,700 feet, cranking eastbound. River.
The cockpit's open, but it gets real hot.
Yeah. Guess it just keeps the window cracked.
I want you as much as you can as you look out the window, kind of keep your finger on, once we're in the air, keep your finger on where you think we are.
Okay.
Test, test, test. One thing on run up is you want to be sure and kind of point into the wind. We have quite a bit of.
Subplane in the pattern right there.
It is. Get on my checklist. I do three things on the runway. I turn on my transponder, I set runway heading, and I start my fuel timer. Okay, right now, put on the fuller tank for run up, passenger briefing. If we have to have an off-airport landing, crack your door before we hit the ground so we can get out of the airplane. Be sure your door is unlocked if we have to land. Controls are free and correct. Flight instruments, attitude indicator, compass heading. Your rich, engine run up, 1700. Left magneto. Right magneto. Should be 100 RPM drop. Carburetor heat should be another 100 RPM, 125 RPM drop. Back in. Your suction's up. Oil pressure's up. Watch this amp gauge. I'll put a little load on it. Boom.
Yep.
Okay. Now back down. Fuel selector both. Trim set for takeoff. Takeoff mark. A throttle friction lock is that. Radios and nav, we've got our channel, common traffic, and then I've got regional approach already put in. I'll tell you what we can put in as a monitor. Let's put in the AWAS at Arlington is 127.37.
Okay, you want me to keep, which one do you want me to keep?
You enter it there and then flip-flop it over.
Well, I mean, do we keep this one and I mean, do you want me?
Okay.
I
I don't have anything important.
So 127.
12737. We'll try to get that as soon as we get in the air and have time. There you go. You can flip it over. You probably won't get it on the ground. Yeah, we don't have it yet. Okay, so we have radios and nav equipment. Okay. Let's try to review these speeds. These are miles per hour. Those are knots.
Yeah.
63.3 as we rotate. 84.0 is best climb. Call that VY.
Yeah.
74.8 is best glide. If we lose power, we want to try to reach that best glide so it'll give us the best distance. Okay, our heading indicator, our departure heading back will be a 281 heading, I believe. Okay, I think we're ready. Get my little script for regional approach. There. Test. Yeah, we're still on. Traffic behind us? Nope. Okay, scan the sky. Some people recommend a 360-degree turn. I haven't heard any traffic. I don't see any traffic. Always check final. Always check final. So I'll bend around a little bit. Straighten it up. Now this is the whole short line. Let's close our windows. Yep. Lancaster is self-announced, so that's my job. Lancaster traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, departing 13 to the west, Lancaster traffic, taking the active 13 on departure, Lancaster traffic. Okay, once you announce, you need to get out there. Don't want to mess around. Always check final. Got the correct channel, 122.7. Three things on the active. That runway heading, right there, 13. Turn on my altitude, my transponder altitude reporting. Start my clock timer and rock and roll. Let's go. Have to hold a little right aileron. You can see what the wind's doing. We're looking for our airspeed. You always take off full throttle, too. You don't take off with partial throttle.
Yeah.
I've got full throttle, and we're at 70. Let's rotate. Look at this. Little right rudder. Step on the ball.
Yeah.
See what I'm doing? We're climbing like a monster.
Yeah.
But that's the turn and bank indicator, the little black ball.
Right. There's the boneyard.
A little gusty.
Yeah, we visited 4 planes because I took a picture of the first 2, and it was on the 3rd one that you got in trouble for taking a picture.
Ooh, yeah.
Then we went to one more after that in the back part.
I'm probably going to turn around to about a 270 heading and see who will talk to me. I'm going to stay on this channel until we turn out of the pattern, which is within 300 feet of pattern altitude. I turn out.
Okay.
Here the pattern is, I think 1,300, 1,300, and we're at 1,000. Look right, turn right. Okay, I'm outside the area of the airport. I'm going to switch over to regional approach.